What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're gonna be talking about the Shark Vertex. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, a like, and leave a comment below. Now, the Shark Vertex is supposed to be a super strong velocity, you know the word velocity, with a super strong suction. I made claims to have the strongest suction, so I guess we're gonna find out. This Shark Vertex DuoClean vacuum cleaner is the best I ever used. For starters, I love the rose color they use on this vacuum. The colorway is pretty awesome and it's different. I also love how sturdy and firm it feels. Let me give you guys some great benefits this vacuum offers. Number one, if you have sinuses issues like me, this vacuum may be your best friend. Number two, if you want to keep your carpet or rug vibrant and fresh, you may want to consider this. And number three, durability and the ability to carry it everywhere you want to. Let's talk about number one. If you have sinus issues due to dust inside your home, then this vacuum may give you some relief. The Shark Vertex has a hyper velocity power suction which will suck up dirt from shoes, pets, and particles in the air that is buried deep within your carpet fibers, which is a number one contributor to dust in your home. Face it, guys, a basic vacuum cleaner will only get the surface of the carpet, but the Shark Vertex will pull up the hard to get dirt and dust monsters. You know, little tiny things that be going across the carpet you can't see. Yeah, those dust monsters. But guys, I'm going to show you how powerful the suction is. So let's do a suction test. So guys, the first one we're going to do is we're going to do the Nintendo Switch, and also you had a Marvel Avengers glass mug. So I'm going to show you guys how powerful the suction is. And I do have the setting on the thick carpet and aerial rug setting. So further ado, let's see how powerful it is. Like I said, I'm gonna do the Nintendo Switch first. So I just hope it doesn't fall and crack. I doubt it crack, but let's find out. Okay guys, that was a little animated in the beginning. I really thought the vacuum was about to tip over when I was pulling the cord and into the switch. I'm like, oh no, you know, but I see it working, but oh no. Anyways, but after you finish vacuuming the carpet or rug, after using the deep cleaning suction setting, you will notice how much fresher your room will smell. Yeah, how much fresher. This is only possible because a vacuum catches 99.9% of dust and allergens. I noticed this right away. I was like, wow. Oh, whatever. Whoa. Like, woo. You'll notice a difference right away. This is also good if you have pets inside your home, because a self-cleaning pet power brush comes with your vacuum cleaner. It's sad that I'm allergic to pet hairs whenever my pet Yuri comes inside my room. So whenever he leaves the room, I just have to say, okay, Yuri, bye, go. I'll kick him out the room. But anyways, whenever he leaves the room, I have to immediately go ahead and vacuum the floor. One reason why this vacuum cleaner is so good, it has a self-cleaning brush roll. Instead of a bristle brush, you don't have to worry about getting hair, strings, or other random stuff stuck inside. Now let's talk about benefit number two. Keeping your carpet fresh and vibrant, the Quart Vertex vacuum clean hyper velocity power suction tongue tie penetrates through the thick carpet to force old mold dust and smells to come out of your carpet. If you continue to vacuum your carpet or rug twice a week, or at least once a week, you'll notice your carpet floor will go back to its original color, especially if it's an old carpet, as long as you don't have any stains and crazy markings on your floor. But if it's just discolored due to heavy dirt or other elements like that, then you'll see what I'm talking about, because it will make your carpet refresh. Now let's talk about number 3, mobility. Now the vacuum cleaner has a power lift away option, which will make vacuuming in high places, vacuuming stairs and underneath tables and couches a little easier. But keep in mind, it does have a little weight to it, so if you're like an elderly person, I'm gonna be honest, that's a little too heavy. So you guys got grandmothers and grandparents, don't let them try to lift it up, because it does have some weight to it. I suggest the younger people do it, like us, at least like 60 years or under, maybe. You can take the Quart Vertex vacuum anywhere you want, even on your hardwood floor. All you have to do is change it to the hard floor settings. Yes, so you can vacuum hard floor settings as well. The other settings are the thick carpet area rug and carpet low pile. Overall, guys, this Quart Vertex DuoClean is a great vacuum cleaner. It does deep vacuum to get rid of hidden dust. You can take it anywhere you want, and it does come with 3 accessories to give you just a better experience. I'm pleased about it, to be honest with you. Now let's talk about the cost, the meatloaf. Like, how much this thing really costs? Well, the Quart Vertex DuoClean is $400. Yes, $400 is pretty expensive to some people, and some people, oh, I could do that because what it does. But honestly, guys, even if you feel like that's a little too pricey or out of your budget, so forth on, I do recommend getting some type of vacuum cleaner with a high velocity suction, because there's a lot of dust on our floors and a lot of things that we don't see. And consider if you have a person have allergies or what the case may be, or whatever the things that you care about the most, I really think this may be a good benefit for you guys, because remember, it has a hyper velocity suction power. But let me know in the comments below if you think this vacuum cleaner is a good fit for you. Until next time, guys, I shall see you guys later.